Every once in a while, we bump into a dream project. In 2017, Nestlé presented us with one of the biggest opportunities in a long time, the Nescafe Dolce Gusto Content Factory. The objective: to create 400 assets for their social media channels across all markets in Latin America. Our challenge was not only to improve the quality of their content and bring consistency to the brand, but also to deliver strong efficiencies due to budget constraints and tight deadlines. For the pitch, we developed a content grid with 5 thematic pillars, from more interesting to more engaging and funny, in an attempt to cover all the brand territories. All the ideas were designed according to Facebook mobile best practices. Shoot in 9:16 ratio. Use the first seconds wisely. Tell the story with sound and without sound. And then we created packages, grouping types of assets and resources so the Nestlé team would be able to choose what they wanted, optimizing the budget. Of course, they loved the proposal, but now we needed to bring these ideas to life. So how did we do it? We managed to have a thorough 2-week pre-production process with more than 30 people involved that allowed us to shoot all the assets in only 2 days. Every minute counted, so we had up to 3 directors working simultaneously, sharing talent, props, crew, and even same location to make it possible. We created recipes and pairings with coffee, tea, and chocolate. We developed a stock of 250 photographs with talented product. We interviewed emergent artists that created works of art related to the brand. And we had a lot of fun curating and creating original memes. We put together a streamlined post-production process that started on set and continued with a huge task force on our studio. The result? An outstanding set of 425 assets, all of them with global rights and available to be adapted to any language. That means more than 1 asset per day for a whole year, with the best value for money. We believe that projects like these are the future of content production.